Gusto ko nito.
Ako rin, the puffy one.
Oh, this is hard. Here.
Can I have this?
No, you can sit here.
Hindi ba siya coffee?
You thought it was gonna be super soft.
Kala ko ganito siya.
Akala mo.
Or ganyan. Mas
Those are the
nakakapal.
pillows sa kabila.
Yeah, ito.
Ato. Those were from over there?
No,
talaga?
Yung
Those
ito
are,
sa
those are
terrace.
new. It's New Year's. New Year's.
Yeah, New Year's.
Gamitin ko maya to. I know those ones were from the other house. Oh, those ones. And this one.
Oo, ito yung nasa room eh.
I like
yung
it.
dirty.
Pero they're so soft.
Ito yung tatlong nandun sa gilid sa may wall.
I think matagal pa. Mga lang may 3 weeks.
Okay din. Minimum 3.
Ito 5.
Minimum 3.
Sabihin na lang natin 10.
10, oo. Ano sa...
16.
No. Grabe.
Oh, well.
1 week na lang mapapantayan na natin yung kay Ate Melay. No,
Hindi.
October. A week and a half. October 4 sila hanggang Feb 13. Do the math.
Ano?
3 weeks pantay.
October 4 to Feb 4.
3 weeks.
Feb 13.
Carlo, can you tell about your expression?
3 weeks, no?
No, wag.
Kasi next week,
October
29.
29.
Oo, so 25 days.
Ano?
Wala. He doesn't want me to.
Ilang days na tayo lumampas.
Something that we only can share with each
3
other.
weeks.
2 more weeks.
2 or 3. Pwede nga 4 uwis. Gusto mo kasi.
4, 5 lang binado. Grabe naman yun.
Malay mo. Anything can
2 or 3.
So may PDP pa
Three-
talaga,
no,
hindi
2
tayo
or 3.
canceled.
Isang araw lang. Isang araw. Na-cancel ng isang araw.
No, I think it was a trick.
Oo.
No.
Mga ano?
Ay, hindi. Kasi pinapunta. Eh, bakit nga pinapunta kasi yung mga aso ko dito?
Wala lang. Kasi nakikita
he knew
nila
no one
na
was
nababaliw ka
watching.
na.
Oo nga pala. Actually, oo. Oo.
Actually, oo.
Because we're gonna stay here.
Special treatment ni Kuya. Para sa akin.
Yabang. Yo.
Hindi kasi alam niya na pag ano,
Nope, I'm good.
pag
Hindi,
umuwi
tinatawag
ako
siya
sa,
naman talaga.
Thank you.
hindi, pag umuwi ako sa bahay, yun kaagad inaano ko para mawala ng stress. Oh, baliw-baliwan na kayo.
Kuya! Can I get my visitor yet? Pako lang tama talaga sa atin. Ayan mo.
Ha?
Si Pako ang maging big winner. Siya lang.
Siya na. Natatakot ako. Ay,
Cool then. Especially if we can see it, the bus can see it 10 times more. Just personal opinion.
Inawi niya pa ako.
Ano?
Joke lang.
Ano sabi mo? Inaway daw siya ni Paco. Kailan? Kasi, yan yung ano niya. Di ba nung si Kigoy, nung inaway siya.
Oo.
Joke lang. I'm joking!
Si Tin naman. Grabe ka,
Grabe ka, Tin!
Paalit natin. Nagbabago natin.
Talaga.
Yun pala kung bakit deserving ka maging big winner. Kasi nagpakatotoo ka na talaga.
See that. That day would not say any, like,
That Tin would just...
yeah,
You'll see it in her face.
facial expressions. Now it's just full, I think that's why we're so like, what, your facial expressions, like, I was like, gabi, I was like, your facial expressions are so,
Exaggerated.
yeah. Kasi dati, mas konti na.
Di ba dati wala yun?
Oo.
Yun!
Yeah.
Tapos sa feeling ko, the longer we're here, unti-unting nagtataas yung boses niya.
Kevin has been the same.
Ay, hindi ah.
We
The way I talk.
can see his mouth moving.
Very,
Ako.
very soft-spoken.
Very.
Ako, tumataas yung boses ko.
Di ba? High pitch, loudness.
Oh.
No, it's just before you wouldn't express yourself. Now it's like
It's a good thing.
yeah, it is a really good thing. It is.
Hindi, ganun talaga ako magsalita. Ganun kaya ako magsalita. Tinatawanan nga ako nila mama ko.
Ano?
Tinatawanan ako lagi ng mom ko. Kasi, kunyari, sa cinema, mag-order kaming popcorn. Di na una siya yung mom ko and yung sister ko. Tapos bigla akong, Miss, pa-order yung popcorn! Yun yung sour cream. As in a
Sour
Thai.
cream
Siya.
and popcorn?
Oh,
or
Cheese.
barbecue.
I want pink corner.
Isang barbecue na
Barbecue popcorn?